Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. If you're working on DIY projects or professional renovations, understanding what a jigsaw is and what it can do makes a significant difference. A jigsaw is a handheld power tool with a narrow blade that moves up and down rapidly, enabling you to cut through wood, metal, plastic, or even ceramic. What distinguishes it is its capacity to make curved, bevel, and plunge cuts, meaning it doesn't always need to start from an edge. This versatility makes it invaluable, whether you're building furniture or adjusting floor tiles. Its precision and control are the reasons both hobbyists and professionals keep it readily available. Using a jigsaw safely and effectively starts with proper setup. First, make sure your workspace is clean, stable, and well lit. Then clamp your material down so it won't shift while cutting. Choose a blade suited to your task. Coarse teeth for wood, fine teeth for metal. Before cutting, clearly mark your line and set the blade and speed. Beginners should start slow until they get a feel for the tool. When ready, let the blade reach full speed before touching the surface, and then guide it along your mark with gentle pressure. Rushing can cause mistakes. Smooth and steady wins every time. So, which jigsaw should you choose? For power and precision, the DeWALT DW331KTQS stands out. With its 701W motor and ergonomic handle grip, it's ideal for controlled professional quality cuts. If you need extra versatility, the Makita 4350 FCTJ delivers. Its 720W motor, 3 orbital settings, and carrying case make it perfect for frequent users needing reliable performance across materials. For lighter jobs or occasional DIY use, the BOSCH PST-700E offers a solid 500W motor and user-friendly design, great for beginners or home projects. Choosing the right model means cutting with more ease, accuracy, and confidence, no matter the job.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.